back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from RPGSHOW. Today I'm working with their 10x6 glueless lace closure wig. So this is their new cap construction, and it comes with a wide deep parting space. Of course it comes pre-bleached and it comes pre-plucked as well. So it comes with an M shape around the ears to match your ear shape, and you know the cap can sit comfortably around your ears. It comes with an elastic drawstring, and it comes with removable combs. Also comes with an adjustable elastic band, so you can definitely achieve that glueless and natural look. So this is the ash blonde human hair wig. It's a 20" and it's 180 density. Okay, and this is the tinted transparent Swiss lace. The lace color is medium brown. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig first. So I've got the wig on, so this is what it looks like, and it fits very comfortably on my head. You guys can see the cap is literally sitting around my ears, so I don't need to go ahead and try and cut the lace or anything. That's already been done for you. So like I said, it comes with an M shape around the ears so the cap can sit comfortably, and you don't have to cut the excess lace that you usually have when you're installing a lace front wig. So you can see this literally sits comfortably around my ears. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the elastic drawstring that it comes with to make the wig fit very snug on my head, and then we can go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So literally all you have to do is just to pull and you're done. So this is very beginner friendly, very easy to work with, very easy to install. You don't need to cut any excess lace around your ears. It's literally been done for you. Like, I love this. And all you have to do is just to cut the excess lace at the front and you're good to go. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace, and you can literally do so many different hairstyles with this wig. It really comes with a lot of parting space. So it's 10 inches going across your forehead and it's 6 inches going downwards. And you guys, this is the transparent Swiss lace. The fact that this is not their HD lace and it literally blends into your skin and melts into your skin like this, that's amazing. It looks really, really good. I've not applied any hairspray, any gel, any hair mousse. This is 100% glueless. So I feel like this is very beginner friendly. You don't have to glue it down. You don't have to cut the lace around the ear tabs. The cap also sits comfortably around your ears. This is a wear and go wig, like it's ready to go. So, and the wig also comes pre-styled as well, so there's not really much to do to the wig, you know. so I'm done styling the hair. I've literally just done my lip combo, and I think this lip combo is so tea. Like, I love it. Love. Anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and just use some hair serum on the hair and then just brush out the curls. I'm gonna use my argan oil. Okay guys, okay, so we're nearly done. You guys can see how amazing this wig looks. Like, I'm really impressed with the new cap construction, the lace. This is the Swiss lace, and it's literally giving HD lace. Like, you guys, this is 100% glueless, and the wig fits extremely snug on my head. This wig is not going anywhere. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I don't really need to, but I feel like I just want to make my middle part stand out a bit more. So I'm just gonna apply what's left on my brush. I'm not gonna apply any more products, and I'm just gonna run that through the lace, just so the pattern really stands out. Okay, so that brings me to the end of today's video. This is the finished look. You guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. And just so you guys can see that this wig is 100% glueless, you guys can see I've literally not used any hairspray, any gel, any glue, nothing. This is 100% glueless. So yeah guys, I'm really impressed with this new wig cap construction by RPGSHOW. It's definitely 100% beginner friendly, so I would highly recommend. Okay, and like I said, this is their ash blonde wig. It's a 20" and it's 180 density, so I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below. They also have a sale going on right now, so just check below in the description box. I'll list all the details and all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.